David, what are you doing?
I'm going to record our whole graduation on this handicam.
Sure, it's a common ocean, perpetual emotion, but I don't need the comfort of any lies. For I've seen the ending, and there's no ascending rise. Oh, back when I was younger, was told by other youngsters, it might well be sunset beneath the earth. 'Cause I don't see what they see, what they staring at me. I see a window, a limit's a limit, and not at all. If you could follow effort to carry on forever, would you even matter anymore? Sure, it's a common ocean, perpetual emotion, but it's not what you signed up for. I'm sure there won't always be sunshine, but there's this momentary gleam of light. Times with the signs of decades and decades on a funny face. I'm sure there won't always be sunshine. I'm sure there won't always be sunshine, but there's this momentary gleam of light. I could goodbye the ocean, but that I've been losing. Shine with seconds, sweating hard and breaking. You think you're over
Nigesh, since we are graduating, do you have any message for us?
Yes, I wish you all the best for your future.
Oh my god.
And I expect that you will do good in your